National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Biscayne Bay, coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 4:45 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Card Sound, moving northwest at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Convoy Point, Card Sound, and Turkey Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather, Coast Guard, or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.